Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering the daily English hacks that everyone should know right now. Mastering daily English hacks can completely transform the way you communicate and interact with others in English. It's not just about learning grammar rules or vocabulary. It's about being able to express yourself confidently and effectively in everyday situations. Being able to do so can significantly boost your confidence in speaking English and make you a more engaging conversationalist. One of the biggest hurdles English learners face is vocabulary limitations. You might know the words you want to say, but you struggle to recall them in the moment.
Another challenge is pronunciation issues. You might be saying words correctly in your head, but they sound completely different when they come out of your mouth. These are just a couple of obstacles that can make speaking English feel really tough. Many learners also struggle with using the right phrases or expressions in everyday conversations. They might sound formal or awkward, which can make it hard to connect with native speakers. So, what can you do to overcome these challenges? One hack is to use language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel that offer interactive lessons and exercises to help you practice your English skills on the go. Another hack is to practice speaking with native speakers, either in person or online, which can help you improve your pronunciation and get used to how native speakers communicate. You can also try incorporating English into your daily routine, like listening to English podcasts or watching English TV shows with subtitles. Additionally, reading English books or articles can help you expand your vocabulary and get a feel for how words are used in context. But there's one hack that has helped countless learners significantly improve their English, and it's incredibly simple: speaking out loud. Even if it's just to yourself, the more you practice speaking, the more comfortable you'll become with the sound and rhythm of the language. Try repeating phrases or sentences out loud, or even just narrating your daily activities in English. This hack might feel a bit silly at first, but trust me, it's incredibly effective. To recap, the key hacks we've discussed are using language learning apps, practicing with native speakers, incorporating English into your daily routine, and speaking out loud. These hacks have the potential to completely transform your daily English communication, making you a more confident and effective speaker. If you've got a favorite English hack, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more language tips and tricks, and check out this other video on improving your English fluency.